Woodpeckers are part of the bird family Picidae, which also includes the piculets, wrynecks, and sapsuckers. Members of this family are found worldwide, except for Australia, New Guinea, New Zealand, Madagascar, and the extreme polar regions. Most species live in forests or woodland habitats, although a few species are known that live in treeless areas, such as rocky hillsides and deserts. And the Gila woodpecker specializes in exploiting cacti. Overall, woodpeckers are arboreal birds of wooded habitats. They reach their greatest diversity in tropical rainforests, but occur in almost all suitable habitats, including woodlands, savannas, scrublands, and bamboo forests. Even grasslands and deserts have been colonized by various species. These habitats are more easily occupied where a small number of trees exist, or in the case of desert species like the Gila woodpecker, tall cacti are available for nesting. Drumming is a form of non-vocal communication used by most species of woodpeckers, and involves the bill being repeatedly struck on a hard surface with great rapidity. All members of the family Picidae nest in cavities, nearly always in the trunks and branches of trees, well away from the foliage. Where possible, an area of rotten wood surrounded by sound timber is used. Where trees are in short supply, the gilded flicker and ladder-backed woodpecker excavate holes in cactus, and the Andean flicker and ground woodpecker dig holes in earth banks. The Campo flicker sometimes chooses termite mounds. The rufous woodpecker prefers to use ants' nests in trees, and the bamboo woodpecker specializes in bamboos. Woodpeckers also excavate nest holes in residential and commercial structures and wooden utility poles. Woodpeckers and piculets excavate their own nests, but wrynecks do not, and need to find pre-existing cavities. A typical nest has a round entrance hole that just fits the bird, leading to an enlarged vertical chamber below. No nesting material is used, apart from some wood chips produced during the excavation. Other wood chips are liberally scattered on the ground, thus providing visual evidence of the site of the nest. Many species of woodpeckers excavate one hole per breeding season, sometimes after multiple attempts. Thanks you for your watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. It make me more power to create the next video.